What's up guys, welcome to another Gmod video, and this is going to be a tutorial on how to make a boat. But make sure I'm just going to be showing the basics. Like for example, this is my first boat, which I made. You do not have to do it exactly like mine, but I'm just giving like tips and tricks on how. Like for example, the wood floats by itself, but it's really good to add these barrels because it makes it more buoyant. But anyway, I will be showing you on how to make a car boat. So let's get started with car. So what you want to do is go into spawn list and then get really any flat, like a door would work pretty well. Anything that's kind of square, a table wouldn't work since of its legs. Or maybe it actually would work better. Anything flat, basically. Like, you're not turning this into a car. Anything like medium-sized and flat. Like, you can turn this vending machine to it. But I'm going to be using one of the basic ones. Boom. This is going to be our base. Then you're going to have to lift it up and put it up here. So, we're going to have a tester. A tester, yes, from a tester. G-Man, I would like to see your opinion on my very epic car. You suck. You know what? That's a G-Man. Get out of here. Alright, so now that very rude person, which we're not gonna remove from existence. Bye-bye. We're gonna add some wheels. So you can change this to anything you want. The torque doesn't matter. I recommend default change it to anything. So we can change our wheel. Like for example, I like using these wheels. I like using our wheels. Now see the spin thing. This means what direction they're going. And if they're going the exact wrong direction, like here, you're gonna have to change it to make it work. Now, let's see. And if you click the button that says go. So, now it is already basically a car. Check this out. Oh crap. Let me just... There we go. Now that was a simple fix. This is the basics of making a car. Wait, come on! Alright, now we're just gonna kidnap you again. So I might think, well, this is not a really good car because, like, you barely can even stand on this. How, even when you stand on it, it barely works. Well, that's why we're gonna do some more modification. Boom. So, we're gonna wanna go into, vehicles, and go get any type of chair you want. I like the Jeep seat. And put it on where the front is going to be. So, for example, my wheels, let me switch it up. So, my wheel is going forward is 9. So, it is going to be facing this way. But, if you really wanted if you wanted to be fun with friends too, you can add multiple seats in, which is what I'm going to do. Just for examples. So there you go, you got 2 seats for your friends. For you and your friend. So, then we're going to get out the weld tool. Click this and just weld everything to your base. Yes, and I mean everything. Not the map, just all the thing you want to be in your car. Then you want to get a thruster. It can be any thruster, I don't care. Like for example, you can use this thing. You can use the trash can. You can use the block. I don't care. But I like this one. Why it has a cool animation. And you're gonna wanna place one here. That's a bit too high. The force I recommend is 150. That's the what I recommend. 150, yeah. 155, that's the force I recommend. And then you're gonna wanna weld it together. But you might think, ooh, why are you adding the thruster? And if you don't, why? Because it's returning, you dumb. So if it doesn't, that means you anchored some more stuff. So you sit down on this, and then you press go. So going. Yeah, is it too heavy? So the thruster acts as in the tool gun duplicator. You click copy caption and make sure if it's exactly how you like. Go into dupes and let's say dupe. See, and now you have it for later. Alright, there we go. Now it is gone. So you might be thinking, well, that's kind of cool, and you can make cool stuff. Duplicate stuff. Paste it so it looks like how you want it. Go into dupes and save my dupe. So now this is how it's supposed to work. Alright, Tim, I'm coming. No, sharpen no. Sharpen no. So you want to make sure each one is around. And then just